So at the moment this is what it looks like yet. So my workers is in the kitchen renovation doing their job, and I have here the wash tower for my washer and dryer, and some of the appliances for the kitchen, the dishwasher, my kitchen sink, and I'll show you. So my very pretty fridge, but it's all covered yet, so it'll be later on. And then my couch has been just stuck in there for a while, and my table and everything is still a mess. It's still a chaos, but it's a good chaos. I'm really excited, but it really takes time. And of course my bohemian chic living room light. So anyway, I'll update you soon for the next, what is this, episode of the progress or doing or making and designing and renovating and managing the whole apartment. So, see ya.
Es un tema, el cable sale para este lado. Sí, porque ahora lo vamos a usar. ¿Estando todo negro? Acá de todo.
Perfecto.
¿Uno más? Le pongo uno más abajo.
Quedó perfecto. A ver, espera.
Sí, porque el que viene de abajo tiene que subir también la energía.
Está bien, pero no corte de abajo en el palmo. No, déjalo acá.
Mira que está.
No sé, cocinero.
No, está bien. Listo, es ahí. Agarramos arriba. ¿De cuánto? ¿De 30? Ahí, eso de 30.
Mantenete ahí.
Sí, está para adentro.
And this is the leftover artificial grass, but I think I'll have this on the floor. So I bought an artificial grass and I already cut them. Like I have like 10 meters artificial grass, and this is for the wall, just to have nature accent from my main living room TV rack. So it will just light up the art or office desk area, but this will be like an art area. So this is the artificial grass. And also I've got an artificial grass for the balcony, just to make it look pretty and naturey and romantic. So I've installed them already, and I just used this tiny cloth knot. So as you can see, just those, and I put some in the middle as well, so it will hold and last. They just kind of blend with the color of the grills because it's white. So not finished yet, we'll see.
que es apertura central.
Ah, cierto.
Todas chichitas.
And you will arrive. Yeah. ¿Te pasó? Total. You are an architect. Sí, sí. Vamos a ver. Típico. Sí, sí. Bueno, igual. It's a very good idea, the two colors.
Yeah. Because if it's just one color, it's just plain.
Yes. More boring.
Yeah.
Vamos. Bandas verticales es un diseño que nunca pasa de moda. Es espectacular la versatilidad de funciones que tiene esta cortina. Vos vas girando y ves que vas de la oscuridad a que te entre a full la luz y podés combinar dos colores, por ejemplo, distintos. En este caso es un blackout, uno es color